Yeah.
For innervate, that'd be perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
I'm gonna PI you, so just
5, 4,
think ahead.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, we can dispel Trey. And then Pharaoh. And then Anathios.
Beware.
Soak, big soak.
3, 2, 1. Run away, little girl. Run away.
Get out. This is awkward.
Yeah. We can dispel Spider first. And then Real. And then Trey.
More on instinct. Sting one.
2,
Signia.
1.
Stinky.
Jesus. Yeah, fucking A.
Fucking stinky booty hole, man.
Stinky and transmission, baby.
God damn it, bro.
For those odds, come on.
Focus ads.
3,
Okay, Ice is going to Skull.
1.
Okay. You can dispel Horus. Okay, and then you can dispel Pharaoh. And then dispel Lone.
What is ticking me?
3,
It's
2,
gotta be something on the Inspire or
1.
something. Probably have Link Exorcism.
I'm moving a little bit further.
1.
I got melee.
Oh, okay.
Run away, little girl.
What do you want? Glacials.
It's gonna move to cross. Everyone's gonna be on cross. It's to the right always. Dispel Leadrix.
Good job. We're recall in 5 seconds. Recall in 5 seconds.
Beware.
I'll get this one over here. I got it.
Okay, Ice is just gonna go to the left of us. You don't have to go all the way. But like to the left of the square.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, to the left of the square. Okay, we need to be out of this. Okay, can dispel Jelly.
In this one. In this
In-
one.
in-
Oh, in. Okay, and then you can dispel Chris. And then dispel Anathios.
Innervate ready, Chris.
Okay. That was
Okay,
very,
we
very
need
good boss placement.
Dexter. Nice.
Moving back.
Beware.
Hold innervate. I'm calling for it in a second.
Yep.
About 15.
Massacre.
3, 2, 1. Run away.
Can we cry this, please? This media?
Just get away. Get away.
I got it.
Recall in 5 seconds. His recall is gonna be double massacre.
Yeah, Ice is on square. Ice is going on square. Okay, we can dispel Leadrix. Okay, dispel Normie. And dispel Jelly.
Grenade is soak.
Innervate, please.
Three.
All right, we're chill for a second,
One.
guys. This
I'm
is
topping
it.
us off.
We're good. This is
Okay, we need to be in on this one. And Ice is gonna go on Moon.
2, 1.
Okay, Ice is on Moon. Okay, we're dispelling Spider first.
Hold on.
Okay, you need to go out, it's fine. Dispel Ferocious. Dispel Lodge.
Eye far. Somebody gets left. Soak, spike.
Bro, there's already someone in there.
Okay, and dispel Chris.
I
Dispel
didn't see.
Chris.
Get out.
Out.
Get out.
Out, so.
Oh my.
We have 2 reses.
It's up.
Chris.
3,
Recall is gonna be
Okay.
soaks again. Let's get ready for soaks. Barrow, get the one that's left to you. Yep.
Yep,
I
yep, yep.
have Link.
I'm gone.
Okay, ice is on triangle. Okay, dispel real. And then
Use a
Chris.
Hellstone or something.
Dispel Chris, dispel Chris.
2, 1.
And then snowplow
Crystals if you
last.
have. Hellstones, half
Last
boss.
one snowplow. Dispel snow, we're done.
In this one.
Nice.
Oh
And
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Healers are dry as well.
I'm moving back.
Off healing.
Okay, ice is just gonna go to the left of us, towards triangle.
How long on innervate? Any innervate up?
A minute on all of them.
A minute on next.
Okay, ice is going to the left towards triangle. So don't take bomb there. Okay, dispel the
Gonna get
Edrics
out.
first. And then Chris. Okay, and then dispel Connie.
This is get out.
Out.
Okay, and we have Rune. Okay, ice is gonna go to circle here. We're gonna go past.
Mana Tide
You
20.
have a res.
We have a res. Get Granola. Do you have CDs, Granola?
I do.
Okay,
Get
let's get
Granola.
out of the room.
I'm near green.
Don't go to the edge because we're gonna have ice on the edge at circle.
Yeah, go to middle.
This is fine. This position's perfect.
Mana Tide out.
3,
Focus, just focus up, focus up.
1.
Okay, ice is going to circle. Ice on circle.
In.
This is inside.
Okay, do this first. Use defensives if you have ice. Just come in first. And then you're gonna go out to circle.
I need a healing external. I'm middle
Okay.
of my ramp.
Let's
Let's do normie first. Normie first.
Tunnel the boss. Tunnel the boss.
Dead, guys. Yeah!
And I got the mount. Woo!
And I got jack shit. Hell yeah.
Jesus Christ, that shit is stressful.
Buddy, if that's not a fucking blue purse, I'm logging off.
Oh, dude, can I buy that ring off you? Damn.